It's 3 a.m. The temperature is dropping, and you can't stop thinking about them, the furry friends who call your backyard home. You bought them a house, but is it really keeping them safe? Or is it a leaky, cold, and dangerous trap? To find the truth, I did something drastic. I spent a night in the freezing cold, testing the top-rated outdoor cat shelters. What I discovered will change how you protect your pets forever. All the houses that passed the test, with direct links, are in the video description. Starting at number 1. Petsfit single-story outdoor cat house. Best overall. A good outdoor cat house should have plenty of insulation and be waterproof, says Dr. Stephanie Ninneman, a veterinarian at VCA Spring Creek Animal Hospital in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Size matters, too. There should be plenty of room for the cat to stand and turn around, but not too much room for them to get cold, she says. The experts we interviewed recommend cat houses with a single door for added warmth. They also suggest outfitting the interior with straw, which won't retain moisture like cloth or wool. The easy-to-assemble Petsfit house is the ideal size for keeping a kitty warm in cold, wet conditions. The pitched A-frame shelter is made with spruce wood and lined with high-quality plastic sheeting for waterproofing. An asphalt-covered awning over the front door keeps out the rain and snow. This house's floorboards are removable for easy cleaning and have an opening for threading the power cord of a heated bed. Although the house has a second escape door, a swinging plastic flap provides only partial protection. For better weatherproofing, Whitney Phillips, a volunteer with Alley Cat Project in Seattle, recommends covering it with vinyl weather stripping. Number 2. Kitty Tube Feral Option Outdoor Cat House. Best for winter. Cats are susceptible to frostbite and hypothermia the same way humans are. While some cats do well outside as long as they have protection from wind and precipitation, even a heated cat house may not be enough to keep them warm in more severe conditions. In general, if it's too cold for you to be outside for any length of time, it is certainly too cold for them to be outside without proper shelter, Ninneman says. When below freezing temperatures are forecast for more than a couple of days, outdoor cats should be housed inside a barn or shed with access to heat, water, and food. The next best thing is the Kitty Tube House, which is one of the best outdoor cat houses because of its insulated and weatherproof material. Although it's one of the pricier options on our list, it stands up to harsh conditions and is very easy to assemble. The interior, including the floor, is protected by foam insulation and comes with wheat straw to add up to 2 more layers of insulating bedding. The house has a slightly elevated door with an awning to prevent water from entering. It's large enough for 2 adult cats or a female with kittens. The shell is made from 100% recycled plastics with a lifetime guarantee against chipping, cracking, or fading. In warmer weather, you can adjust the carry handles for increased airflow. Number 3. K&H Pet Products Outdoor Heated Kitty House. Best heated. Phillips says heated cat houses can be an excellent option, especially in regions with frigid temperatures. These best outdoor cat houses that are heated are warmed with low-voltage electricity. While they aren't likely to catch fire, the wiring should be concealed and kept away from water to prevent shocks or electrocution, says Lindsay Woko, founder and CEO of the Center for Pet Safety in Reston, Virginia. Since these structures aren't waterproof or insulated, you'll want to place them in a sheltered location near a house. The K&H Pet Products Heated Kitty House is just large enough for 2 cats to snuggle up together. The shelter consists of lightweight vinyl-backed nylon and has a removable zippered roof with overhanging eaves. It's fitted with a fleece-lined heated pad that is Met Safety listed, which means an independent lab has evaluated and approved it for safe use. The pad is removable, and its fleece cover is machine washable. You can also remove the plastic door flaps, which attach to the house with Velcro. It's available in several colors and barn and cottage-themed prints. Number 4. K&H Pet Products Extra Wide Outdoor Kitty House. Best multi-cat. Even if you need a house that will fit more than 1 feline, it's still best to think small. If the space is too large, the cats will have a harder time maintaining the internal temperature, Woko says. If you're setting up a shelter for feral or community cats, it's also important to remember that they may not want to bed down together. Ninneman recommends setting up multiple houses instead of one large house if you think more than 1 cat in the neighborhood may use it. The K&H Pet Products Extra Wide Outdoor Kitty House is big enough to house multiple cats but not so large that they'll struggle to warm it up with their body heat. It has a Velcro-attached roof and door flaps and a machine-washable, cushion pad for added comfort. The house's vinyl-backed nylon is not waterproof, and there are 2 exits, which allow for more heat loss than a single entry point. Because of this, it works best when set up in protected areas like porches, barns, and garages. Number 5. Trixie Outdoor Wooden Cat House. Best for senior cats. Gafford says that when choosing a cat house for senior kitties or cats with limited mobility, you'll want to opt for one they can easily access from the ground. Steps or a ramp could give older kitties a helping hand, Quant says, and this cat house by Trixie comes equipped with a handy ramp to give older cats easy access. The slightly elevated floor helps promote air circulation while keeping cats off cold or wet ground. But at just 2 inches off the ground, the entrance is also low enough for most cats to hop inside easily. The slanted roof and weather-treated wooden planks help your kitty stay dry, while the plastic cat flap keeps the wind out. You can also remove the flap if your cat isn't a fan. The house is big enough for a single cat to bed down, but it may not work well for multiple cats. So now you know. You don't have to gamble with your cat's safety. You can give them a warm, dry, and secure sanctuary, no matter the season. If this review gives you peace of mind and helps you make the right choice for your furry family member, then please show your support, smash that like button, share this with another cat lover who needs to see it, and subscribe for more real-world pet product tests. Let's keep them all safe out there.